Okay, let's see if I can get through this in one shot. This is my menu plan for June 6th, and I will be covering the week Sunday through Saturday. And on Sunday, I made a hamburger gravy and with a white cream sauce, and then I smothered it with onions and mushrooms on top of homemade mashed potatoes, and I served that with corn on the cob with lots of butter, salt and pepper, and a green salad, and I have some pictures that I will insert. For Monday, I made Italian sausage on the grill and I burn it. Everybody likes it burned, and I served them on real crusty hoagie rolls. And I served some very large noodles. They were spiral noodles as big as my hand, and I put Alfredo sauce on that, and those were really good. That was fun. And some lima beans and a salad. And I made homemade ranch dressing to go with the salads, but we also have other choices, oil and vinegar and Italian and stuff like that. And then Tuesday, I made roasted chicken and loaded baked potatoes with some more corn and another green salad. And with this, I made some bread. I made some garlic cheese bread. And then Wednesday, I made some burritos that were, I called them taco burritos because it was taco meat. And I rolled them in tortillas with lots and lots of cheese. And I'll show you a picture of that. I made some rice and beans and served them with chips and cheese and jalapenos. And it really was a nice dinner. And for Thursday, chicken bake with it's a macaroni and cheese style chicken bake. So it's the macaroni noodles and the yellow cheese sauce with chicken, homemade. And I'm gonna serve that with green beans and a cucumber tomato salad. And for Friday, it's family fun night. It is my choice on Friday where I'll pick, I don't know yet, Starbucks. And Saturday is my easy night. It'll either be pizza, takeout, or leftovers. So this is my menu, and I will insert pictures that I have to go along with this menu. I hope this menu helps in some way, and if you have a menu to share, please share it. I need help too. He just had to white out. I don't know what I was thinking, but those noodles were so fun. They were as big as my hand. Okay, I hope you have a glorious week, and I will see you again. Bye.